Yo, I'm so excited. I'm always excited when I get new stuff. I'm going to the home office. This is New Residential Community 1. And I'm going to our home office to pick up my gimbal. I ordered the gimbal on AliExpress about 2 weeks ago. And finally arrived today. So I'm excited. See you guys. Guys, I'm here. Got my gimbal. Yeah, it's home office. Hi.
You have parcel? Anis?
Yes, yeah, parcel.
Anis?
No,
Anis. This one?
Yes, this.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I think maybe late, so that's why I keep here.
Okay.
Give me the OTP number.
Okay. This one. 1910
191.
06. Home office. Thank you.
This also people tell me again. Wait.
Thank you. Yep, so I just got my package at the housing office here. Thank you. So guys, once I get my gimbal set up, I'm going to take you on a proper tour of this camp, NRC 1, give you a full review of what it looks like living here. Hi guys. Yeah, so this is the football court. I'm not giving you too much information right now. Room. Damn, it's so hot outside. Can't even imagine. Damn. Whew. Yeah, so time to do proper unboxing. Start. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'll be unboxing this DJI OSMO 6 gimbal. Yeah, let's get into it. I got my knife. I don't know, just a kitchen knife. Just try to tear it up. So this was delivered to me by Express. I ordered it on AliExpress and it took about 2 weeks to arrive here at New Residential Community 1, or NRC 1 for short. But it's finally here. So we're gonna do a review. DJI OSMO 6 gimbal. I'm so excited. Okay. I can't do any fancy unboxing because yeah, I don't really have proper lighting for that right now. So, anyways, this is what we get. So fresh out of the box, it's already looking pretty heavy, so you know what you're getting. It's quality. And there's a seal right here, you know. So if this seal is broken, then you know what you're getting. It's already fake. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Oh wow. Nice. Okay. So we have I'm guessing, okay, like a bag, a pouch. It has the OSMO logo on it, and then a bunch of instructions, manuals. Yeah. DJI editing app. You have to scan the code for this. I presume. What else? USB-C charging cable. What are these? Okay, that's all for this guy. Okay, so this is where you attach your phone. I believe it's magnetic. Yeah, and then this expands to clasp your phone. So, and then we have the stand. Okay. Yeah, this is the stand, which also acts as a tripod. This is the gimbal itself. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, so these are anti-slip pads. I don't know if you can see where it's written, anti-slip pads, to secure your mobile phone in place so it doesn't fall off. Let's see what gimbal looks like. I'm so impatient. God. Nice. Woo. Yeah, fresh out of the box. It's looking really solid. Very solid. And try to fix this. Yeah, and then you see just clasps on, just like that. Yeah, this looks very nice. So I'm gonna do a review about this once I've used it, because I can't do one now. But this is the DJI OSMO 6 gimbal stabilizer, fresh out of the box. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Yeah, let's try attaching this. Yeah, man, this is really cool. I can't even tell you how cool it is. I need to figure out what all of this does. Well, I got my gimbal, guys. I'm excited. I got my gimbal. It's really exciting.
Money yet.